reason some trades fly and others die.
And it has nothing to do with luck.
If you have traded for a while, you've seen this pattern. Massive moves at 1 hour.
Silence the next.
It's not always your strategy, sometimes it's your timing. In this lesson, we're breaking down something most traders overlook: trading hours and session time. Because not all hours in the market are created equal.
This could literally be a game changer for how you plan your trade.
So here's the cool part: if you ever get confused about market sessions or time zones, there's a free tool I use all the time. It shows every trading session in your exact local time, and even when they overlap. Seriously, save it, it'll keep you from trading dead hours or missing the best ones again. So stick around to the end. And for daily quick tips and market updates in between videos, follow me on Instagram, FXAlex. You'll find the link in the description too. Now let's break down why not all hours in the market are created equal. Personally, I trade using my FDM strategy, which adapts to any trading session. I'm not glued to one specific time, and that flexibility has helped me stay consistent day after day. That's the power of understanding when the market gives its best move instead of chasing trades. Let me show you exactly how session timing affects your results. Think of the market like a heartbeat. It has powerful surges and quiet pauses. During prime hours, you will see high volume, clean trends, strong setups, but trading during 4 hours, you will face fake outs, random noise, higher risk. So if you've ever wondered why your setups work some days and fail others, this is why. Understanding when to trade is just as important as knowing what to trade. Wait a second, send this to a friend who trades at dead hours. You could save them from another fake out. Who knows? Let's map out the 3 main market sessions based on Miami EST time, Eastern time. Each session has its own personality, its own rhythm, operates at different times throughout the day, each with unique characteristics that can affect your trading strategy. Quick pause before continuing. Tap that like right now so YouTube shows this lesson to more traders who actually want to improve. The Asian session, Tokyo and Sydney, runs roughly from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. It's calmer, lower volatility, slower but more technical move. Great if you are a structured or a patient trader. Pairs like US dollar versus Japanese yen, Australian dollar and US dollar, or New Zealand dollar versus US dollar are more active here. Less noise, more focus. Think of it as the market's warm-up phase. The London session, European markets. From 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. is where things head up. High liquidity and momentum, trending markets with solid structure, favored for the intraday setups. So, pairs like Euro versus US dollar, British pound versus US dollar, and US dollar and Swiss franc move beautifully here. And hey, if you're learning something new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, because we're just getting started. The next few sessions might make your trading even clearer. The New York session runs from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. High impact move, especially during the open. Big news releases, massive volatility, heavy volume. When it overlaps with London, it becomes what I call the golden window, a moment where the opportunity meets energy. Ideal for scalping, news-based, and trend setups. The golden window, London and New York overlap. Between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Eastern Time, EST, the most powerful window of the day. This is where the real opportunity lies. Liquidity speaks and volatility explodes. Tight spreads, breakouts, volume and volatility is the perfect storm. I like to say this window isn't just good, it's where the real money moves. Save this video so you can revisit these hours when planning your trades. But here's the trap most traders fall into: trying to trade all day long. When to avoid trading. Midday lull from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. liquidity fades, setups weaken, and fake outs rise after London closes. Weekends, markets are shut, holidays and pre-news, expect drops and false signals during holidays, periods, or before major news announcements. The golden rule: don't chase the market all day. Just show up at the right time with a structure and intention. That is how consistency is built. So, how can you know the exact trading hours in your own time zone? Here's an amazing tool that shows you real-time trading session based on your local time. Investing.com/tools/market-hours. You will find the link in the video description. Just go in, select your time zone, and you will see when each session opens, closes, and overlaps. Now I'm curious, drop a comment below which session fits your lifestyle best. Do you trade before work, during the New York Open, or while Aisha sleeps? Let's see where most of you are from. And if you are ready to take things to the next level, you've just learned when the market moves. Now it's time to make the knowledge work for you. I created the Unstoppable Trader tools to help traders stop guessing and start trading with structure. Inside you will learn to plan your best sessions, control the 3 emotions and patterns that keep most traders stuck, and trade with precision just like I do every day. You'll find the link below. It is not just about when the market is open, it's about when the market speaks loudest. Trade during the hours when money moves. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next class. See you in the next video, and as always, trade and slay.